Hi everyone, my name is Walker Spivey and I'm going to present on the cardinalides of rubber vine. Rubber vine originates from the island of Madagascar. It is a plant that was intentionally distributed across the globe to be grown as a source of latex, which was used to produce rubber. Today it has naturalized in most environments and can pose many problems such as killing trees, blocking access to waterways, and poisoning domestic herd animals. Rubber vine is considered a weed of national significance by Australia and an exotic invasive species in the U.S. Virgin Islands, Texas, and Florida. Rubber vine is a perennial woody vine that belongs to the Apocynaceae family, which is also known as the milkweed family. Its physical characteristics include having rough bark with dotted lenticels and glossy dark green leaves, which are fairly thick and measure 6 to 10 centimeters long by 2 to 4 centimeters wide. The plant produces white and purple flowers and exhibits a deep corolla funnel. Rubber vine seeds are produced hundreds at a time in large beak-shaped pods. The seeds are often distributed throughout the environment via the wind. A rubber vine is mostly considered a toxic plant. Some Ayurvedic doctors will prescribe taking the plant for certain ailments. Rubber vine use typically involves the leaves to make a concoction for consumption. Continuous research is currently looking at more intense ways of using rubber vine for its analgesic properties, anti-tumor properties, and treatment of neurological disorders. Rubber vine cardinalides are highly toxic to domestic animals and contribute the majority of poisonings. According to Parsons and Cuthbertson, in feeding tests, less than 10 grams of chaffed rubber vine leaves mixed in bran killed a 400 kilogram horse within 6 days. Beyond simply identifying the compounds that are produced by rubber vine, very little additional research has been conducted. It has been discovered that the specific cardinalides in rubber vine are cryptograndiosides A and B, oleandrin, and cryptostigmin 1 through 4. Cardinalides are a subgroup of cardiac glycosides. Cardinalides are highly specific to sodium-potassium ATPase enzymes. The cardinalides of rubber vine target the alpha subunit of the enzyme. The chemical attack can be reversed if treated in adequate enough time by intravenous calcium and digoxin-specific antibody fragments. Digoxin-specific antibody works to reverse rubber vine poisoning because of how similar the chemicals are. This rubber vine is highly toxic to domestic herd animals. Much research has gone into identifying the best management practices to prevent the plant from spreading into pastures and other unwanted areas. The mechanical practice of burning is a highly effective method of controlling rubber vine when conducted twice a year. Recent identification of 2 effective biological control agents effectively reduces the foliar coverage of the vines and can allow the subdued vegetation to grow. Lastly, chemical control has proven to be less than adequate in controlling rubber vine. This is because of the thickness of the cuticles of the leaves, the numerous number of vines, and the thickness of the vine thickets. There is also too high of a risk for killing non-targeted plants. Future research with rubber vine can lead to important discoveries that can help mankind in the fight against opioids. A study with mice identified that the compounds in rubber vine can be used to effectively alleviate the pain in some mice. This is my list of references. Thank you for listening to my presentation.